Hello folks, this is Morgan Hill of Hill&Hill Financial with the November 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. October was generally a good month for stocks as they recovered some ground after a turbulent September. Let's take a look at a few of last month's major events. Third quarter earnings season kicked off in October, and the news is pretty lackluster. Out of 253 S&P 500 firms that have reported in, profits were up just 2.4%, while revenues were down slightly by 1.4% over third quarter 2014. What does that tell us? Well, it tells us that U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, and volatile oil prices. Now, keep in mind that these are overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would be 4.7% on 1.3% higher revenues. There are also a lot of individual success stories from companies that achieved great results despite these challenges. As financial professionals, our job is to help our clients find the success stories. In other news, the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when it voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. But our first look at third quarter economic growth showed that gross domestic product grew at a paltry 1.5%. Now, this is just a preliminary report, and economists will revise the data several more times. However, we can see that growth slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. Will weak growth cause the Fed to hold up on a rate hike later this year? Very possible. However, many economists expect growth to pick up again in the fourth quarter, given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. So it could come down to a coin toss for the Fed. We'll keep you updated. That's it for the November Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 1-800-887-9647. We'd be happy to talk with you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Once again, this is Morgan Hill signing off for the month of November 2015.